You and those power lines.
Oh, I love power lines. I hate to say it. Charles knows me about power lines.
Well, cool. I got them all then, except for those two I'll do on Stone Mountain.
That group is so neat once you learn it.